everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an empties video for you guys. These are my July empties. I know I'm getting it up for you guys a little bit late this month, but still wanted to share it with you. I wanted to do it this month instead of collecting a whole bunch more items and doing it next month. So I have a decent amount of skincare. I only have a few declutter makeup items. But yeah, so I thought that I would go ahead and share this with you. Let's start off with the two makeup declutter items that I have. The first one is by CoverGirl, and this is in the color Silver Lilac. It doesn't really show up very well. I tried it with my fingers and with a brush, and it just, I don't know, it looked like I didn't really put anything on my eyes, and I don't know, for me, it's just not worth keeping it. I don't use single shadows very often anyway, and if it's not going to show up, then I'm not going to bother. Next item that I have in here, I'm a little bit bummed out about this because I wanted to like this, and I just don't. This is the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Crayon in black, travel size one, and it is really nice and black and pigmented, and I feel like it stays on the lids really well. Like, it doesn't smear once it sets. It's like pretty waterproof and everything, for just an everyday average wear. But the problem with this is that when I apply it, it takes me forever. And it kind of drags across my lids, and then if I'm wearing an eyeshadow and I put this on top of the eyeshadow, it almost like gets this pencil or whatever covered in the eyeshadow, and then it doesn't apply anymore. I don't know, the application of this is just really, really bad in my opinion, so I just couldn't force myself to use it up. I had wanted to, I had put it in my project pan, but I have so many eyeliners, I just kind of feel like, why am I putting myself through that? So I don't like this one, I don't recommend it. So now we're going to go into hair care. I only have two things. The first thing I have in here is the Garnier Fructis Style Sleek and Shine Anti-Humidity Soothing Milk. And this was okay. I don't know if I would purchase this. I think this is my second container that I have purchased of this, but I don't know, I kind of prefer at this point just to use my leave-in conditioners. I feel like those work pretty well, and I have been just starting to use some, like, a little bit of oils in my hair for helping with frizz and stuff. I just feel like, I don't know, I just prefer those. I mean, this is still a good product. This is my second time purchasing it, but I don't know, I'm pretty simple with my hair products that I use, so I just feel like I don't need this. Yeah, so I probably won't purchase it, but it is a good product if you want to try it out. Okay, so this one is actually by the same brand. This is the Garnier Fructis Soothing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask. This is in, I think this is the one with avocado. So that's what the foil packet looks like. I actually got this from Pinch Me as a sample, and I used it like 2 times, and I used them both as like a conditioner, but left it in for a little longer. And I kind of feel like I should have used the whole thing if I was really going to use it as a hair mask, because it says you can use it as a hair mask, a conditioner, or just leave it in as a leave-in conditioner kind of a thing, which I kind of wish I would have tried that option. It's something I'm like interested in trying again, just because I feel like maybe I just didn't use it right or whatever, but I don't know, it was okay. I used up, for me personally, quite a bit of skincare during this month, or during July. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is by the Formula 1006 line, which I have two other products by the same line, so I'll do them all together. But this is the Bee Berry Juicy Daily Hydrating Moisturizer. This is the Sea Berry and Apple one. And comes with a pump. There's nothing left in there. This was okay. I scraped out the inside as much as I could. It does have a scent. It's not unpleasant. It's actually not too bad, considering this berry line does have a fragrance to it, and the other products are a little more fragrant than this one. But it was okay. I won't purchase this again. I feel like I have found so many moisturizers that I really enjoy. So for this just being an okay moisturizer for me, I won't purchase it again, but it worked okay. I mean, there's nothing really bad about it. It did what it needed to do and everything, but I didn't really care for the fragrance part of it. I think it was the biggest thing for me. It was also by Formula 1006. I think I'm saying that right. I might not be. This is also from the Bee Berry line. Bee Berry Ready Daily Foaming Cleanser, Blackberry and Coconut Milk. And I went through this pretty quickly, pretty much because I used a lot of it each time, because I wanted to kind of just use it up. I know that sounds awful, but I didn't want to waste it, but I don't really love it. It's not something I will purchase again. Again, it was okay, but it definitely had a scent to it, and I didn't care for the scent. So, yeah, I don't know. It was more of like a creamy cleanser. I really didn't like the scent of this one. This one kind of bothered me quite a bit. I don't know why, but it did. So I won't purchase it again, but it's an okay cleanser. It's kind of average. It does not take off makeup though, so you would have to use it as a second step for cleansing your face. I'm going to continue with the next Formula 1006 item. This is actually from the So Totally Clean line. This is the Micellar Cleansing Water Sensitive formula. And I actually do have just the tiniest bit in here. This is probably maybe 2 uses. I could try and get 3 out of here. I'm a little bummed out that this is gone. I really actually enjoy using micellar waters, but that's okay. I mean, I used it all up. That's good. I do like this one. This is one I would consider purchasing again. I kind of want to try out some more micellar waters though. I just don't feel like I have found the one that I love. I've tried out a couple and they seem to be pretty good or just okay. This one was pretty good. The only thing I didn't care for about this is if I got the cotton round soaked with this and then put it directly on my eye, it would get into my eyes and it wouldn't like sting or burn too bad, but it would a little bit. So it was a little uncomfortable. So that's the only thing I didn't like about this, but everything else, this worked totally fine. Took off my makeup. I liked it, but I kind of want to try other things right now before I purchase this one again. I didn't necessarily finish this one out, but I did use this a good amount of time, so that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. This is the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser, normal to oily skin. I like this. I have dry skin, but I like this. I feel like it's very gentle. It doesn't really take off makeup again, but if I'm breaking out or I'm just having some face issues, then I do like to use this because it kind of calms my skin down and helps it get back to normal. So I really like this cleanser for that. This is actually my boyfriend's. He's the one that uses this on a regular basis, and I just use it once in a while. But I do like it, and it's something I would consider purchasing for the pure reason of helping my face get back to normal when it does have a breakout or has issues. So if you do have that and you are looking for a very sensitive formula to use as a cleanser, I do suggest trying this one out. So this one is actually being tossed because this is expired. So this is a little sample of SPF. This is by MD Solar Sciences 50 Mineral Moisture Defense. SPF 50. So here's what it looks like. And this is definitely expired. I think I actually did put it on my face and then washed it off right away. But the formula kind of looked like it was separating and everything in here, so I knew it went off, and it does have an expiration date. And yeah, I think it was past its expiration date as well, so this is getting tossed. I hate when that happens. I hate when I have something expired before I can use it. Okay, so this is another sample that I used. Now I'm showing these two samples because I did not use these during, I don't think I used that one, during a sample Sunday selection, so that's why they're in this Empties. So this one I pulled for, this is the L'Oreal Paris Sunscreen Revitalift Triple Power Day Lotion. This has SPF 20. And I actually liked this. I think I've tried a couple of these samples. Some of them I feel like I've tried with the serum that's in the same line. And I really like this. It doesn't break me out. It has SPF in it. It's something, you know, I like to have on hand for when I am going to be out all day and I do need that extra SPF. So I don't know, I like it. I think it works pretty well, and it's a drugstore product, and I would consider purchasing a full size of this because I have tried this product in sample size form multiple times. So yeah, one I would consider purchasing. On to body care. This is by Softsoap. This is the Citrus Splash and Berry Fusion Moisturizing Body Wash. I actually really like these Softsoap body washes. They're relatively inexpensive, I believe, and I really like them. They smell good, they do a good job, and I would definitely purchase this again in this scent and other scents. I have tried this before in other scents as well. I think I've tried it in pomegranate and I think a citrus one. But yeah, these are really good, and I'll definitely be picking up another one of these when I run out of my body washes. Next product in here, this is the Hawaiian Tropic Sheer Touch Lotion Sunscreen, SPF 30. And this is just a sample size. And I used this one day that I went swimming and everything. It was a really hot, sunny day out, so I pulled for this. And it worked just fine. I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Didn't make me break out. I actually used this on my body though, not my face. Yeah, so I thought this worked just fine and I liked it. I did reapply though throughout the day, which I think you're supposed to do regardless of what sunscreen you use anyway. But yeah, so I don't know. It was good. Nothing bad to say about it. I don't know if I'd purchase this again or not. I guess if it was on sale I would. So last thing, we have a hand lotion, or we have a hand wash, and this is by Bath & Body Works. This is their Aromatherapy line. This is Energy, which is orange and ginger, and this is the foaming hand soap, which I really like the foaming ones. Sorry, it's kind of icky, but yeah, I used this up. I do really like these. I continue to buy these and the Method hand soaps from the drugstore. I kind of alternate them, whichever is easier for me to pick up at the moment, or cheaper as well. So if these are on sale, then it's about the same price as the Method ones. Those were all of my empties. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you have tried any of these products before, let me know what you think about them. And if you have any recommendations for some micellar waters or a cleanser that's drugstore and relatively inexpensive that you like, let me know, because I'm very interested to trying other ones out. That's kind of the next thing I need to purchase, so let me know if you have any recommendations for me. Alright, well, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye!